Hey everybody, welcome back. Got another hard reset for you. Today we're going to do the BLU Bold N2. If you have one of these and you have a pattern or a password and you forgot what it is and you have to do a hard reset, I'll show you how to do that. Just a reminder, when you do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone. So if you have anything important on here, it's definitely going to get deleted. So just keep that in mind. Also guys, if you haven't yet subscribed, we have a ton more of these hard resets and teardowns coming up. And if you want to see something special, just drop a comment. We'll try to get that up for you. But let's get into this one. First thing we want to do is make sure the phone's off, and it is. And then you have your volume up, a volume down, and power button. And what we're going to do is we're going to hold the volume up and power at the same time. I'm going to start holding volume up first, then power. And then we get our bootloader options. And volume up is to scroll, and then volume down is to select. So you wanted to get it under recovery. Then hit volume down, and it's kind of small, it's kind of hard to see. Takes a second to load. But it's a pretty nice phone from BLU. There we go. So from here, we want to use our volume buttons to scroll, power button to select, and we want to scroll down to wipe data factory reset. Hit the power button again to confirm. Now it's deleting. Now it's done, and now we can either reboot or power off, and in this case I'm just going to power it off. But if you do reboot it, it'll just load to the welcome screen, and you could set the phone up like it was how it was new. So I'm hoping you guys found this helpful. If you did, if you could like, share, comment, all that great stuff, we'd appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.